Hi Road Rush Nation, it's Terry. Hey, I got something in the mail and I wanted to share it with you. It was a warranty addendum from Harley. Yeah, they have had to change their warranties because of the federal government. So hang out, let's discuss this and see how this changes things for you and the accessories you can put on your bike and they'll be covered under warranty. So come along, hang out. So the addendum, you've got the full package and it tells you that you should, when I got the full packet, it tells you that you should go ahead and keep that so that you've got it for your records, because it shows the difference between the warranty you received and this warranty. Now, mind you, let me kind of read from this so we get it exact. We don't want to be sending out false information. So it was from the Federal Trade Commission that went through, and they were pulling up all kinds of manufacturers that were getting into trouble on their warranties, because it's not just Harley. So don't be banging on Harley, okay? You had car manufacturers that got caught with the same issues, that when you put something, accessories on a car or your vehicle, then they would deny the warranty, you know, where you had to take it to that dealer. You had to use their products. You couldn't use any aftermarkets. And what the federal government said was, not so fast, my friend, because that's into monopolies and not looking out for the consumers. So the Federal Trade Commission reached a settlement with all these manufacturers and said, so going through this stuff, the FTC, sorry, I keep saying FCC, the FTC, which is the Federal Trade Commission, alleges that Harley Davidson motorcycle warranty violated federal law when it indicated that you and other Harley Davidson owners had to use genuine Harley Davidson parts and authorized services providers to keep your warranty coverage. The FTC also alleges that we didn't fully explain in our warranty that it covers and excludes, and it says that was also unlawful. So all that fine print where it said you had to use Harley dealerships, you had to use their services, and that was a no-go. So let's talk about the questions that are on here. It says, do I have to use genuine Harley Davidson parts and services to maintain my warranty? No. It says right here, you may elect to use non-genuine Harley Davidson parts or service providers not authorized by Harley Davidson and maintain your warranty. By law, we cannot void your warranty. Just because you install another company's parts, use a service provider that is not authorized by Harley Davidson, or do maintenance or repair work yourself, unless we give you the parts and services for free. Okay, so this is great for those that are doing this on their own, that you're doing your own maintenance and you've decided that's the way you want to go. So, to settle the matter, we agreed to revise our warranty. We enclosed a copy of the revised warranty here, which was the big fat packet. So make sure you keep that, because there's going to be dealers out there that, and I won't say dealers, but employees of dealerships that may not be up to speed on all this changes. It just happens, okay? They're human. So keep a copy of the warranty with you or in your file so that you have it if you need to, because it's going to take a while to get everybody up to speed on these things. So, so let's go on here. Does my Harley Davidson warranty cover the cost of repairing damages or defects caused by using another company's parts or services by a provider that is not affiliated with Harley Davidson? No. Harley Davidson can deny warranty claims for damages and defects that are caused by using another company's parts or accessories, or caused by using non-authorized service providers. And again, that's if it's totally foobarred up and somebody's totally messed it up, then it makes sense, okay? Harley Davidson also deny warranty claims for functional defects of powertrain components tuned using a tuning product not covered by California Air and Resources Board executive order, or not authorized or not otherwise authorized by the United States Environmental Protection Agency. So all that stuff, if it's non-EPA approved, you're going to get zinged on that stuff. And that's if you remember a few years back when Harley got zinged for the EPA violations and the exhaust and why you always have to have the stock and you can't do all that other stuff that's what that is. So you can't have one and then wipe out the other. So I understand that clause in there. And of course, California, they have the strictest on all those exhaust requirements and the emission requirements. And when you get a Harley out of the factory, it's set up for those strictest requirements. It makes sense why. You always build to the strictest requirements, and then yes, mail them, send them out to the dealers, and everything's good. Okay, are there other reasons why Harley Davidson may deny my warranty claims for damages and defects? Yep. They can they can still deny your warranty claims. So this is not like, oh, they got to do everything under warranty no matter what. Anything that they can deny your claim caused by using a genuine Harley Davidson part or accessory not authorized for use on your motorcycle. So if you buy a part for a different series of a Harley and you stick it on your Street Glide and it was meant for something else and it causes problems, you're stuck. Okay, which kind of makes sense. You buy the part that fits your bike. Let's not try to, make it not work. You can also be denied if you're caused by misuse of your motorcycle, like using it for racing or competition. Yeah, so if you take it out to the track and you blow it up, it's probably not covered under warranty. Or caused by installing parts designed for improper uses of your motorcycle, like a trailer hitch. I see these people doing the trailers, and you have to be very careful because what that does, there's a reason you have tow capacities set on vehicles, okay? And a bike is transmission and the framework and everything else is not set up for towing. So even these motorcycle trailers that there's no problem with it. I've seen it. Had a friend who had a CVO and it totally jacked up the transmission on it. Then when he took it in, it's like Harley goes, what's going on? And people with three-wheelers, they'll do them all the time and you'll hear them, take the hitch off or whatever before you take it and get it serviced. They'll know. Okay. What should I do if I think an authorized Harley Davidson dealer improperly refused to honor my warranty? This is good. So listen to this part. If the dealer refuses to honor your warranty on the grounds that non-genuine Harley Davidson parts or services were used, and this is what I talked about, holding on to that addendum copy so you may have people that are not educated yet on this. Here's what you need to do. Without explaining how those parts or services caused damage to the motorcycle or otherwise led to the issues you are seeking warranty coverage for, call us. They have a number in here so we can address the situation. You also can report it to the Federal Trade Commission and they give you the report fraud connection there. Where can I get the revised warranty and more information? We recommend that you keep that copy in your records, and you can find also on the Harley Davidson's website. Just look under warranty addendum, search for that, and you'll be able to pull it up. If you have questions, you can always contact them. This is actually good news for all of us, guys. Really, I've never had any problem with warranty work. I have to say, anything that's been an issue, my dealership, Worth Harley Davidson, where I've got my bike, Aaron got a CVO, they've fixed anything. And we really haven't had any big issues at all. It was always something a little small, hey, like, I don't know, maybe the weight's fallen off of the rear rim. Things like that. But this is really good news for all consumers because this didn't just affect Harley. This affects car manufacturers. So when we get those, because there's so many accessories now. In fact, I don't know what's worse. We just bought a new Ford Bronco and my Aaron went nuts. So it was like having a Harley all over again. The accessories have, and I think UPS, FedEx have been here nonstop. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found this information valuable. Go check it out. This is good news for all of us, not just with Harleys, but for cars also. So check with your manufacturer if you've got a newer car and it's still under warranty as to what may be out there. I would suggest you check your manufacturer's website. This is good news for all of us, all consumers. So thanks again for watching. appreciate it so much. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any episodes, and we will see you next week. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.